Hello everyone. So today's topic is Indian Pharmacopoeia. So I am going to provide a brief idea about Indian Pharmacopoeia and pharmaceutical industry. Okay, in the India. Okay. So see the Indian Pharmacopoeia. First of all, what is it actually? The Indian Pharmacopoeia actually a authenticated book. Okay, Indian Pharmacopoeia. It is a authentic book provided by the Indian Pharmacopoeial Commission. Okay, Indian Pharmacopoeial Commission. Okay, this is the central government body which provide Indian Pharmacopoeia. So what is the purpose actually? This book contains so many type of standardized procedures, analytical tools, analytical procedure details about the drug, medicine, the testing procedure, standard operating procedures. Okay, so how do we know that there are so many drugs, so many medicines, so many industries, pharmaceutical industries in India, right? But what they do manufacture the drug. They synthesize drug, they make the medicine, they be in various formulations, like it could be tablet, capsule, or it could be injectable forms. Okay, parenteral, okay, subcutaneous, likewise so many types of formulations are there. So what they do, they provide some standard procedures to test the drug composition, the drug quality, to test the drug quality, to know the formulation standardized or not, to know the quality of this formulation, to know the effectiveness of the drug, to know the effectiveness of the formulation as well. Okay, what is the benefit, what is the hazardous effect that could result? These all things are regulation and for regulation and standardization, the procedures are provided, standard operating procedures are provided in the book named as Indian Pharmacopoeia. So this is actually this Indian Pharmacopoeia contains about everything, every aspects of the drug. Okay, so what happens? Indian Pharmacopoeia also upgrade. Okay, by time we know that many new procedures, new advanced methods may be added. Okay, maybe excluded some old version, some old procedures. Okay, so to analyze more effectively, more accurately, more precisely, right? So this is why the Indian Pharmacopoeia is also so many version, means first published, then after some years a new version or new updated version is available in the market. After some years again another version is available, so likewise it changes. Okay, so Indian Pharmacopoeia. So this is the basic things what is actually the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Okay, so here you can see the Indian pharmacopoeial industry. So Indian pharmaceutical industry, sorry, this is Indian pharmaceutical industry. So what it means? So Indian pharmaceutical industry, what it does drug synthesis, molecule synthesis, then change, make it to formulations, many type of formulations. So here you can see that type of formulations, so many type of formulations are available in the Indian pharmaceutical industry. What is the number? 4900, right? So formulations are this type of number of units. Okay, so this type of active pharmaceutical ingredient. So what is active pharmaceutical ingredient? So the name suggests that active pharmaceutical ingredient, what we see the formulation, what we eat when we have some disease. Maybe we may take tablet, capsule. Okay, but see the whole tablet or capsule part is not actually the medicine, not the drug. Okay, the component which is actually the responsible, which are capable of uh, treating the disease is not the whole part. Only a limited, very less amount of the tablet or capsule or the injectables are actually the having the effect or having the role to treat the disease. That is the known as active pharmaceutical ingredient. What we do, this active pharmaceutical ingredient is required in very less amount in our body. So we can't inject or we can't take that less amount of molecule or that less amount of uh, drug. So we add some dilute, we add some other excipients, okay, other materials, to make it some form of formulations, some form of tablet, capsule, or injectables, so that we can take that easily. Okay, so this is the purpose. So this the basic things, the main component which is actually capable of treating the disease, that is the active pharmaceutical ingredient. Okay, the next one is the vaccine. So you people know, I think, about vaccine. Okay, medical device could be like some in case of orthopedics treatment, like bone marrow treatment, okay, bone problem, okay, joint problem. These are the actually treated by or supported by medical devices. Okay, so this is the things. Okay, so cosmetics industry actually for beautification purpose. Okay, and the next one is the ayurvedi and unani. So ayurvedi actually, this is the, this is also a form of medical science, medical science, but this is actually ayurvedic. So what is actually the ayurvedic are actually originated from the plant sources. So the components or the things that is available from the plant source and able to treat some disease, that is the ayurvedic. Okay, okay, so next one is the wholesale and retail. So wholesale retail actually, retail is the actually the medicine selling directly to the patient. Okay, that is the retail. But selling of medicine from the distributor to retail, that is the wholesale. In large quantity the medicine is sold by the wholesaler. Okay, okay, the next one. So here you can see the export and import, like some medicines are not manufactured in India. So what we do, we need to take it from outside other countries, that is the import. Okay, export. So what we do actually, in India there are so many industries, pharmaceutical industries. We are able to make very high amount of very high quantity of medicines. Okay, so what we do, we export these to other countries. Okay, so you can see the figure, how what is the amount of medicines, what is the amount of medicines we export. Okay, so likewise domestic market. Okay, so here you import is also given. So usually we do not synthesize much amount of active pharmaceutical ingredient. So what we do, we collect it from foreign country. Okay, so the active pharmaceutical ingredient actually taken from outside, and then that is made to formulation, some form of formulation, like it could be tablet, capsule, injectables. Okay, subcutaneous injectable, many form of formulations we do manufacture. Okay, so here, so this is the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. Okay, so it is located in the Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Ghaziabad. Okay, so the next one. So about Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, I have said something already. Okay, the basic purpose, it controls, regulates the manufacturing processes of drug, pharmaceuticals, okay, medicines, and this. Okay, so Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission containing three bodies: general body, governing body, and scientific body. So scientific body, the scientific aspects of Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission means whatever the procedures we provide, whatever the regulations, whatever the analytical tools, whatever the analytical procedures we say to maintain, we say to do, that those are maintained, or those are provided by scientific body. And governing body, obviously the government, that is also having role in Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. And general body in general. Okay, so vision and mission obviously cleared highest standards of drugs. Okay, to promote the highest standards of drugs for use in humans and animals, so animals as well. Okay, so veterinary medicines are there. Okay, so with practical limits of the technological available. Okay, so it is fine. So here you can see the Indian Pharmacopoeia copy. First edition was published in 1955. Then after it is progressing. Okay, upgraded version is applied. Okay, provided year after year. So you can remember all those years. Okay, so the latest version is in the 2018. That is the uh, 8th version. Okay, you need to remember the last Indian Pharmacopoeia version is actually 8th version, that is published in the year of 2018. Okay, sorry. So in 2018 the last version is published. Okay, so monographs. Okay, monographs means on specific drug, like imagine any drug, any specific drug, ibuprofen. Okay, so everything about ibuprofen, means the chemical nature, the physiochemical properties, the efficacy, the formulations available, those all collectively called monographs. Everything about the ibuprofen is actually the monograph of ibuprofen. Okay, so you can see the IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia. As we go further from 1985 to 2014, the number of monographs is actually increased, right? So more detailed information is available now. Okay, so it is done. So National Formulary of India, so it provides the details about a guidance document to medical practitioners, pharmacists, nurses, medical and pharmacy students, other healthcare professionals and stakeholders in healthcare system. Guidance document, okay, that is, it is also actually details about the medicines. Okay, National Formulary of India. What are the formulations available? What are the compositions? What changes are seen from one formulation to another formulation of same active pharmaceutical ingredients? Okay, so this is the National Formulary of India. Okay. Okay, so the next one, so impurity means undesired components present in the formulation, that is the impurity. Okay, active pharmaceutical ingredient, besides active pharmaceutical ingredient, excipients are there in the formulation, but maybe some other impurities, means undesirable things may be added or may have with the formulation, inside the formulation, that is the impurity. This could be hazardous, yeah, inside body, may or may not be, but we need to provide, or we need to try free from impurity, right? Actually, why impurity do present in the formulation? Actually, when we do the process of synthesizing the active pharmaceutical ingredient, then making it to tablet, capsule or other formulations, we add excipients. Those all steps may somehow involved in addition of the impurities. Okay. Okay, so here international corporation cooperation, okay, WHO, so World Health Organization, and other Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia USP, Japanese Pharmacopoeia JP, likewise. Okay. Okay, so this is fine, I think it is getting okay. I think you already have some basic idea about Indian Pharmacopoeia, Indian Pharmacopoeial Commission, National Formulary of India. Okay, and another things are the formulations, the active pharmaceutical ingredients. These are the things, basic things. Okay, in the next class or next lecture, I will cover some other parts of drug and drug related things. Okay, thank you.